Committee halor ka border problem jom ka mai khuli bat ter kita kira ani ngidon kira masnong na kin rius nong belawan lang bat ni ngidon ru kitra jaka nakalang ni basan idon ni ba marbut iba yawan seran lang dan iba idren ter nangka kilong kemi kini kiba mjui ini iba don baik ya makiru kin saya keren hi marsin dia sebet dan ngilawan menek si ban submit ya kami merendam kaba ngila thok bhai kani ma ban bat ngila ong patmal cm badai ban pengkut no shwai ya kani ka jinga soi ke jongki ya kani ke MOU bat asam namar ba kinong rim kilong ba ngila pani kinong rim ki basai namar balai ya ka caka ka puta ka jongi ba ka claim ka asam hapo kata kendon ka badan hapo ka schedule 1 ka description jo ka asam ka baki ong ki khasi states ya kani haji sisa krempat ya bat krempat ya keren ni kini Henry lasu bulldoze ya kani ka kambat ngibu ya kani ka memorandum pen kedau ya government ba kadon ka notification 1876 ya ke Kosia Hills ke badai ki bala sai kenar bah ya kani ka port sodong jom ke hima kasi bat ter rang ta ki khat kedai sepak khatsan ki ter ngilap penpau lo di notification kiba kala keren sahi yang tu begini gidi cakap kasih kawai ka bangim skau ya hap kalong ba hajing sisa la dei bandon ka consultation ka dei bandon ka ni ka involvement jongki autonomous district council nomor balik maki gidi custodian of the land the state government owns no land demanta haganu ka nongrim on what basis is the state government negotiating over private land. Number two, there is another legal issue kabami to sign anything on private land, on right land, on land of the community, on land of the hima, on land of the course. Hani ngido ni basan. Ini iwan hangni kumu private land una. Ba imay jong i ka kilala sa Supreme Court mabasan. Ini sa patay mi. We have MOU ka sulong no. It is a matter of political convenience for the MPA government because after all, Big Brother Assam is looking over their shoulder. So since the BJP government is there in Assam, they will have to abide by what Assam wants. So now Assam is very happy. We saw how Himanta Biswa Sharma, when he came to the NEPA, Northeastern Police Academy, his smile was from one ear to the other ear because he has got what he wanted. What is the signature of two chief ministers? Because this is a constitutional process, it has to go to Parliament. The survey has to be done, and the people, you will not allow survey, I think. Will you allow survey करने को देगा उसको को नहीं देगा तब हवा नकलें वाल kadang ka kuasa tak saya ini siapa ke ibasan kiyo pasti order te halo kendo ke joki tapi kendo kiyo pasti order te mentana kalian ka joki ro ni kerpen bagi yo pasti order na ban pia e autonomous district autonomous district la penpau ba ki ka jurisdiction jam autonomous district adan hapo ka parat ganti de mentala de ki ong ban muslia saya kata bakin ong ba ka parliament kan amem ni kan mi ka jing ki ko serkai namar ba kini ki perlok kanton ki perlok ki basa setai ki bala im ha tu ka jing hapo ka border ki sultu hiba inum la banyak im bat asam kamtam lada kamdon ka jing ya ka jaka ka jing ya syai halor ka jing ya yang jong ka jaka pi manta hapo mai khuli ki ong ba idi tangi pung dokha mo Henry kalong kumni we will not give 1 inch of tribal land 1 inch of tribal land also is so precious to us namar balai we have come into India by virtue of section 7 of the Indian Independence Act where all the Khasi Himas, they became free. We were never under India at any point of time. Hakajo kapor pada kami ka violation ya ka instrument of accession. Kami ru ika bo usa Saidullah udakot jong ka constituent assembly ong ba Hakaski bapas ya ka section ong bakadon ka constitutional anomaly. Dagani ka constitutional anomaly. Kuno ki jaka jong ki hima kasi. Kidang hap sipo asam hakatak kendon ka systems. Ya kani u LM Singvi but u VM Tarkunde argut constitutional expert skila ongba dan kam bandai sa Supreme Court under Article 131 of the Constitution. Namar in land dispute between two states, kadaitang ke Supreme Court dari original court of jurisdiction kabala manrai haro ini. Dataka daw ngiro ni ongbiang ya state government baka ban pensangya no season don ni kanika MOU ko bakilaya sign. Bada kajo ko por ban don consultation bagi hasil autonomous district council bat ki Trajaka, bat ki Headmen, bat ki CM Raj, bat ki CM Chua bakin poi kanu kajing ya soy. Normally the state government has no local standard to say geographical contiguity, the historical background, the legal issues, etc. In fact, when they decided this 6 areas, they said that they have abided by this. Kila yang halor kini ginore menringilap baki kami. Where in history, if they had stood on these principles which they had outlined, then why was 1876 not taken into consideration? Because 1876 is the beginning of everything. Why was it not taken into consideration? Okay, you want to give land to Assam, but it must be clear. It must be very clear. And I'll tell you, right now I'll not give you the details, but there is big business and big politics going on. Because land, from the information that we got, a lot of these politicians who are in power, already the game is there to sell the land to Assam. A figure of about 20,000 crore also is there in the market. People are talking that 20,000 crores will be paid to certain parties once this land goes to Assam. So that we will see later. After we get all the facts, we will tell you about this big land deal.
Marka jaka kumaga day nita ni bangyali ang Supreme Court kini ka jaka menta gila ong ay na sa Assam. Di kalong kay gawa sulungo no marka ni jaka it was never in disputed. Ado was lang kamdan disputed ay kamlang dispute kamdan ay beres kata ka day ka jaka jungi idan im ni rap angto ni dan gi samang to nrai menta kan san Assam udang tuan ban approach 2018. Alor yung kata ni ay complaint si complaint si SP ni ay complaint sa po o si tatas po kada para ka. Nrai gi kamle di namar ba kiong bakalan jadi ka private namar bakalan jadi ka private badar tingi haban le himangi timenta kalong kay basusi namar ba what image ngi la penut ka pisaban le chadu Supreme Court namar ba kani ka matar kalong ba kadi ka private kadi ka individual kalan jungi tingi hable chadu Supreme Court ngai menta ka walungo pat nu ba ka sarkar Meghalaya pat nalor ba khamsim ka consent ka khamsim ka jingbit ka jing tang ka tien no na tien jungi meru khamsim meru ngai menta ka jaka wa su ala ka ai sa Assam taka igay mga solungo menta si one submit kani memorandum kuma siyam pa yung ba kambu ka appointment nakakataw ng laban ito yung legal committee ngar dan lang kay Mustar Hazarika dan lang ba gusto ni dan lang ata tingila pa ni ilang ba kani ka kadi ba dan po Supreme Court long use po ka kamawi po ni Hazarika mo damata in the court we will see what the court decide. Kung tayo ang nakatien yung uhi, idan lang, may saki lang, press po, idan ang por, may saki katawang. The matter is still in the court, we will see what the court decide. Mereka minta ko pala ang sulungo, minta pa nang ni, abang court kapag decide, nang ni pagkilada pa sa Assam. Minta mo, kani ka iyo yung form, ibang iyo, kani ka state yung Meghalaya yung bang iyo, ka state yung Meghalaya yung kadiling ba lado mo siya idan ko Assam. Bahapa po ba siya ka United Hasija Hills takapor ka nang day ka United Hasija Hills hindi mo kalang mata tinado 1876 ka British government gata kapor ka day ka Indian government tingila dan pa po sa mo ba tikina mata kumbang labatay ba kidang gini 5 parameters tabon gini parameters ru kibre yung satisfy dan okay fine nray mata the issue decide without going into that 1876 kalong important na kani 1876 kakta lang ka next phase ka next phase karon sa kani ka dash dombria ka right dombria ka taro ka di way na ki right ka ba hap po ka di pa jongi basan pat ka badi yung sa ka image no munta ka himamaliam di kani ka di ka right ka bahe na do nang ni na bernis na purta kani ka di ka second phase kada munta di base na kita ki 1876 kinchuya di kuntu na po ayu kani kan pan pausing sa po 1876 nomor ba ya kani ka dombria ya kani ka right dombria Mar bagini kikot Slaver fight kadai bagi bias na po 1876. Nampata ki ignore lupai kan ya, buat ngi lah apa ngi do lupai ka di dom riaru. Mar ko makalong hi sigi brio lado mentaru dan naka iyo jengki nyam karu kom jengki bat makir bilang willing ba banginuan bat ngi sengi. Susi kan mar ba kumbagi yo so kata kamlong officially yung bang kajaka jongi subo kajaka jongi may menta ladi sa asam rai kitray yun lang himangi kitray. Kata ang ilang ngam sulawan pa diyang te marsin makajaka jongi garang de hapo section deal hapo din pa jong ka district council mantakala hap sa asam lalong no kamlong suka tribal land ting kanang kay ka ba bang yim sutanat ke namar ba klem ka ding bud ga klem ka ding ay kunjo optin nang ila susim laksim surai la karay kata kalong kay bang isosi siguro